Hi everyone, Judy here, your Maestra. Welcome to my channel. I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to say I'm sorry in Bisaya. There are 3 ways to say I'm sorry. Okay, the formal way of saying I'm sorry is pasaylo ako. Pasaylo ako. The next one is pasensya kaayo ha. Pasensya kaayo ha. And the last one, we have sorry. Sorry kaayo. And then you may add ha. Sorry kaayo ha. Okay, so those are the 3 ways in how to say I'm sorry. We only use pasaylo ako when we commit a serious crime or something heavy mistake. We say pasaylo ako. And then we use pasensya kaayo ha for those light mistake. You're asking for more patience from the other person. Pasensya kaayo ha. Okay? And then sorry, we adopted the English term and we have our own accent on how to say sorry. Sorry. So that's the accent. Sorry. So Bisaya accent is a bit hard. We have a hard accent and tough accent as well. Okay, so that's why we are very mindful of our voice when we ask for apologies. So let's break this down. Pasaylo is forgive. Pasaylua is to forgive, to give your forgiveness. Pasaylua, or asking for forgiveness. Okay, pasaylo is forgive. Ko here is I or me. Kaayo. Kaayo means very. Kaayo can also mean kindness. Okay, so sometimes kaayo is more on emphasis, like the intensity of the mistake or the intensity of the person, how the person wants to ask for forgiveness. So kaayo is very, okay, and then at the same time it can mean kindness. And then the ha is a pacifying word. Right, repeat after me. Pasaylua. Pasaylua ko. Next, we have pasensya kaayo. Ha. Okay. Pasensya kaayo ha. Okay. And then the last one is
Sorry. Kaayo. Ha? Let's practice. It's your turn.
okay, that's all for today. Now you've learned how to say I'm sorry. You have 3 ways to say I'm sorry in Bisaya. Okay, thank you so much for learning with me today. Go to my site, cebuano11.com. If you want to access the rest of the lessons, you may need to subscribe to the Members Access Plan. All right, I'll see you next time, next Friday. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.